After you downloaded these two files, one in Android Studio, the other one is Java JDK, I would suggest you to firstly install this one. So I will install the JDK first, double click this one, and then press next. So note that this is your Java JDK location, so you will need to make a note on this one. So I just open my notepad and just type this one for future references. So next, I will just click this one and install. So you will need to wait some times to download it. So click next. And then close. So you already installed your JDK on your computer. Next, you will need to press this one, Android Studio. So I double click this one. So click next. And then uncheck these two. So we just need this Android SDK. So next. So this is Android SDK license agreement. Okay, so I just click I agree. And then these two, the first one is the Android Studio location. So this is the software location in your computer. And then this one is your Android SDK location. So I already make a note on this one. So these two. So for summary, this is your Java JDK location. This is your Android Studio software location. And then this is your Android SDK location. So this one is hidden on your computer. And then this two is visible. So this one is hidden unless you unhidden it. And maybe this one is for your computer. This one is user. And then this one is your username. Maybe your name is Jason. So users, Jason, app data, local, Android, SDK. So this is your Android SDK location. So go back to this one, installation. I just click next. Install. So it takes some time to fully install this one. So I will just fast forward here. So the process completed. So I just click next. And then I'll just start Android Studio. So either this one, you just choose one. I choose this IntelliJ. So I just press next. So this is just a user interface theme. Next. So it takes about half an hour to 1 hour to download all these components. So I will just click finish now.